Elevate your laminate cabinetry with paint. It will take your space from looking like this to this. Hi, I'm Rob. This is how to paint kitchen laminate cabinetry. Let's get into it. First things first, carefully remove all the cabinet doors and drawers. To keep everything organised, use masking tape at the top of the trestle table to label each cabinet door. Additionally, group all the hardware and screws for each door together, ensuring they are clearly labelled with the corresponding code. Next up, it's time to clean the surface. Using sugar soap wipes, give all the cabinet surfaces a thorough clean. Then wash the sugar soap with a damp cloth and repeat twice. You want everything spotless before moving on to the next step. If you're not going to paint the inside of your door or drawer face, then tape off around the edges where the paint will end. This will ensure a neat finish without any paint marks or drips. For us, we'll be painting the inside, so we'll skip this step. Before applying any paint, use a 400 grit sandpaper to lightly sand the cabinetry. This step will help the primer and the paint adhere properly, preventing any peeling. After sanding, use a microfiber cloth to wipe down all surfaces and remove any dust, ensuring a clean surface for painting. If you're replacing the handles with a different size, make sure to fill the existing holes with wood filler. Allow the filler to dry completely, then lightly sand the area until it's smooth and even. This is a laminate primer, which we will be using to apply a coat to these drawers and doors. As you can see, I'm working my roller in long strokes across the surface before going over it with an empty roller to smooth out the surface. Once the primer is dry, it's time for the first of 2 coats of paint. Be careful in your paint selection. You can't use just any old paint. This paint here is suitable for laminate cabinetry. Once you have the right type of paint, you then need to choose the colour and also the finish of the paint. We have chosen to go with a satin, but you can also choose a gloss finish if you prefer. As tempting as it is, don't apply the paint too thick. It's better to apply more layers and build up slowly, as this will give you the best finish. Another important tip is to make sure the paint fully dries between each coat, as painting over semi-wet paint can also ruin your finish. A good rule of thumb is to leave it for at least 8 hours or so. For the best finish on cabinet door areas, apply clear coat as the final coating. This clear coat provides an additional layer of protection to the top coat, enhancing durability and ensuring a long-lasting finish. Now that the coat is dried, it's time to screw your hardware back on or mark the new positionings. Once your hinges and handles are on, you can rehang your doors and insert your drawers. There you have it. Now you can enjoy your kitchen's fresh new look. If you like this video, check out some of our other DIY guides to help you tackle your next project with confidence.